Welcome back. It's time for sports.
West Indies Vice Captain Jamel Warken says he hopes the bowlers will finish the job early as the third and final test between the West Indies and Australia is intriguingly poised heading into day 3, with the visitors set to resume on 99 for 6 in their second innings reply at Sabina Park. They lead by 181 runs in the day-night encounter. Cameron Green was 42 not out, and with him at the close was captain Pat Cummins, who was unbeaten on 5. Alzari Joseph has been the pick of the Windies bowlers in the second innings with 3 for 19, while Shamar Joseph took 2 for 26. Vice Captain Jamel Warken says the bowling aspect of the Windies game has constantly done its job throughout the series.
Obviously, we've been bowling outstanding as a team. We've been getting wickets right through, so it's just a matter of time that we continue to perform the way we have from Barbados till now. So well done to the bowlers so far.
He also knows what they need to do come the beginning of the third day.
Well, tomorrow's a complete game, you know. First of all, we got to bowl out the guys, and then we as a batting group got to come and wherever they give us a chase, we have to do it.
The third day bowls off at 1:30 p.m. Jamaica time. TVJ Sports understands that a team from Ryder Architecture and CAA Icon, the team that won the bid to carry out the renovation work on the National Stadium, will be meeting with officials of the Ministry of Sports and the board of the Independence Park Limited IPL this week to update them on the plans for the execution of the project. The US $100 million project, which is being primarily funded by the government of Jamaica through a framework of cooperation with the government of the United Kingdom, is expected to start next month. According to TVJ Sports sources who spoke on condition of anonymity, officials of Ryder Architecture and CAA Icon, who are scheduled to arrive in Jamaica on Monday, will be meeting with the IPL top brass on Thursday. Work to improve the now 63-year-old National Stadium has been in the pipeline for years. It is expected that the new National Stadium will boast modern facilities for anti-doping, modern lighting, new seating options, meeting and conference facilities, as well as new concession facilities, among other spectator facilities. The cycle track is also to be removed to facilitate more spectator seats, increasing the seating capacity to more than the current 28,500. And finally, RJR Gleaner are into the semi-finals of the Business House Netball Open League after their quarterfinal win on Saturday at the Layla Robinson Courts. The RJR Gleaner team continued their winning run as they brushed aside the previously unbeaten Ibex 42-13. Captain of the team, Tamara Hilton, says the game was used to prepare for their last 4 meeting.
We are going into that game physically, mentally prepared.
RJR Gleaner will play National Housing Trust in the last 4 on Thursday. NHTA got to the semi-final stage after a 51-9 mauling of Hawkeye Security. In the meantime, defending champions at Scotia A continued their push to retain their title with a 31-14 beating of Grace Kennedy. Heart Trust completed the final 4 following a thrilling 21-20 victory over Scotia B. The semi-final pairings will see RJR Gleaner play NHTA while Scotia A will oppose Hart. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.